But y'all stay tuned. We going long range. We're gonna send her way the hell out there on this one. Sit tight. Enjoy the flight. Put your tray tables in the upright.
Yeah. Who run it? You know they're acting like it down now. You run it. You know but you're acting like it down now. Who run it? You know they're acting like it down now. We run it. You know but you're acting like it down now. You know they're acting like it down now. I tear the club up, fuck yo. This flow is gon' bring more dough. You know but you're acting like it down now.
I say I run it cause I'm in control. Hypnotic Hennessy, a couple shots of Patron. I ain't you feeling nice? I get your eyes a kite. Party poppin', shawty said she coming with me tonight. I ain't self-deleting, I ain't snapping and popping either. I'm bobbing my head or I'm just standing there watching. I'm a hustler, I hustle. You can tell that I'm paid and I protect what I got. I'm in the house with my blade, nigga. You front, you gon' get it. Okay, now maybe I'm sitting, cause I want you to trip it. Yeah, I be on that shit. You should see when I'm stunting. I flash the stones to be button. Push the grips, see me rolling. You can tell that I'm howling. I'm just doing my thing. You know the units, the gang. I got my grimy shady with me. You front, you'll have to get me off your ass. I paid a lawsuit and laugh. It's not a big deal. It's nothing but some cash. Let's go.
You know they're acting like it down now. I tear the club up, fuck yo. This flow is gon' bring more dough. You know but you're acting like it down now. You know they're acting like it down now. I tear the club up, fuck yo. This flow is gon' bring more dough. You know but you're acting like it down now.
We got together to do this music, the more we became enveloped, we just developed the fellowship through it. There's no pretension, it's friendship, me nemesis is soon nemesis. Same for him, it's just media, see the image, just images. With the shit, it's no gimmicks, it's blood in and blood out. When it's beef, you just gotta know when the blood in and blood out. If there's a problem, we solve it, we don't resolve it. It usually just evolves into one big brawl, and we all get involved in it. We should all get a merit. This must be we inherit and wear it like a badge of honor. Pass it around and share it and let it go to whoever's holding the most current people on their shoulders. And the soldiers got their backs and it's over. But tonight, we ain't coming here to beef with nobody, we came to party. Thanks, Cash is a Mr. Ferrari, so it's shady at the Miss Ad. Back in that ass, you was asking this on. What kind of berserker possession is that?
You know you're acting like it down now. I tear the club up, fuck yo. This flow is gon' bring more dough. You know but you're acting like it down now. I said you know you're acting like it down now. I tear the club up, fuck yo. This flow is gon' bring more dough. You know but you're acting like it down now.
Pistol play, ricochet, see where the victim like. Slumped over, bleeding, JFK. HK to your chest plate, cave, I will ride to the death. Do you rep that way? Forever I'ma be a shady 7-4 gangster. Plus I survive everything you got in that chamber. I thrive off the danger, jumping in all beat. You keep talking shit, now the squad call me.
Enough holding back the steam, M little for magazine. Dapper Dawn, Kappa Queens, mixed in with Cash's cream. Started off with half a dream, developed into what you see. Telling ain't my cup of tea, can't tell I'm a fucking G. I'm on automatic, when I'm at it, start static and you splattered, shit shattered. I'm a walking bitch magnet, spit it high, lit it, always to the limit. And I'm always on my pivot for my digits, you dig it? So
we run it, you know you're acting like it down now. I tear the club up, fuck yo. This flow is gon' bring more dough. You know but you're acting like it down now. You know you're acting like it down now.